Vacations are more important than ever, and so is making sure we have everything ready, from check-in to check-out, to help you stay healthy. We're building on our established approach to cleanliness with even higher standards, like creating a clean home away from home with the use of hospital-grade disinfectants and enhanced cleaning protocols. Providing social distancing guidance for public spaces and hand sanitizing stations throughout each resort. And having our associates undergo enhanced training and daily temperature checks and follow heightened hygiene requirements. All so you can continue to enjoy the places you cherish and the new ones you've yet to discover. Welcome to the next level of clean. Welcome to your next vacation. Welcome home.